To transfer possession of a Trace Original document, go to traceoriginal.com in your browser. Click Manage Original and choose the document you want to transfer. The document will be shown with validation information above it. Present the key for the active document by clicking From Computer to use a key file, or enter the key manually in the box to the right of the document. Click Transfer Possession in the menu to the right. Select Method of Transfer in the box to the right of the document. Here we will transfer via email, but you can also transfer directly to a public key. Enter the details of the receiver of the document as well as yourself. The transferee will be notified by email with instructions on how to accept the transfer. You will receive an email message when the receiver has accepted the transfer. Follow the link in the email and click Complete Transfer in the browser to continue. Enter an annotation or endorsement text that will be written to the document as part of the transfer. Present the key pair for the document. The transfer is now complete and written to the document. You can download a copy of the transferred document. The receiver will be notified by email with instructions on how to download the document.